chest up and catch that frame, cause beauty is my name.
What up, beauty gang? So today I'm going from zero to natural hair Instagram baddie. I know it's like, girl, how you gonna go from this to looking bomb and fly? But first of all, I already look bomb and fly. Little do you know. Right now I am just moisturizing my face real quick with my vitamin E oil and what is this? My Pond's dry skin cream. I mix those two things together. It's been a long time since I've done like any makeup tutorial or whatever on my channel, and it's mostly because if you're an OG, you already know I'm pretty simplistic with my looks and stuff. I don't do foundation, I don't do BB cream, I don't contour, nothing like that. So yeah, but I'm gonna add a little color and flavor today, so I want to go ahead and share that with you guys. But before I hop into this video, if you're new to beauty gang, you never heard of us, sis, might as well join the gang, okay? You might as well join the gang. We would love to have you. Here's a warm welcome in advance because I already know you did it. I know you're already vibing with the connection we're sharing right now. So now that you've hit that subscribe button, go ahead and hit that bell button so you're notified each time I post a new video. And without further ado, let's hop into this ledge. So y'all, actually I'm going to be trying something a little bit new today. I'm using my typical highlighter and stuff, but because I just put moisturizer on my face and I don't wear foundation, I noticed once before after I put highlighter on and my like moisturizer was still kind of working its way through my skin, it went into my skin a lot better, like a lot more even, instead of just kind of sitting on top of it. So I'm gonna try that out today, just putting the highlighter on my skin before anything else so that it can kind of like melt its way in there along with the moisturizer I put on my face. By the way, this is the Cover FX glitter drops that I am using as a base for my highlight. Might have put a little bit too much on my nose, but it's okay. It's okay. Smooth that under the brow bone. Alrighty, so the Cover FX glitter drops is just kind of like the base that I use for my highlight, and then I'm gonna go in with my Becca Cosmetics highlight and chocolate Geode or Goldie, whatever it's called. I'll have it on the screen. Pat that right on top. Alrighty, now I'm gonna go ahead and lay my edges and let them set while I'm doing my hair. And yeah, I am stretching my hair, by the way. I guess I didn't even mention the elephant in the room of why my hair is looking like this, but I am stretching my hair out, trying to avoid having to put heat on it to stretch it out because it was kind of disproportioned a little bit. So we'll see what happens. I'm gonna go in with some Jamaican black castor oil, put it on my edges. Ooh, my edges are feeling dry, y'all. I'm actually really appreciating this highlight though. Definitely. Is it just me? Comment below. Or does it look like I'm almost glowing from within? Is it just me? Let me know. Alrighty, now unfortunately, since I have run out of my Edge Booster Style Factor, I'm gonna go in with my runner-up, which is Gorilla Snot, and which is also why I put the Jamaican black castor oil on my edges first. I haven't used this product in a long time, y'all. Oh, by the way, I usually only use a small tooth comb now to do my edges instead of a toothbrush or a spoolie, because I've noticed there's so much hair that ends up on my edge toothbrush or spoolie, and I'm like, that can't be healthy for my edges because obviously that's my little edges and baby hairs that are stuck in it. So I only use this now and it doesn't pull out my edges or baby hairs. So just a fun fact. Alrighty, it's a little difficult because my hair is like in these little plaits, so my edges aren't moving the way I want, but I can fix that after I'm done with my makeup. But for now, I'm gonna set what I have onto the brows. I'm gonna brush them out with my spoolie. Oh, I guess I didn't think about it. I don't know how I'm gonna conceal under my brows now to get that crisp and snatched look now that there's highlighter under there. Guess I'll figure it out. But anyway, I'm gonna go in with my Old Faithful NYX Black Brown Eye and Eyebrow Pencil. I'm gonna go ahead and sharpen that thing up. Literally all I'm doing here is using the spoolie to pull the product that I put on my brow to the front because I want a gradient effect and I never want the front of my brow to look really harsh. Note to self, always wait till you're done with your brows to put the highlight under there. I definitely could have waited. It was a matter of like the cheek area and the nose. That's all I need to put the highlight on. But alright, we'll make it work. Now I'm gonna go in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Toast with my angled brush and clean up my brows. By the way, I never use my concealer all the way at the front of the brow. When I'm concealing the top, I start 3/4 of the way because I don't want it to look like too precise and crisp. If that makes sense. Now I'm gonna go ahead and clean it up with Q-tips because like I said, I don't do the whole foundation thing, so this is the only way that I could think of to have a precise cleanup job when I don't have any foundation to like cover it up. See, it gets right up in there real good. All up in there. I don't know if y'all can see from here, but the concealer kind of got a little bit on the actual brow, so it's an easy fix. Just use the pencil, go over the area, then use the leftover concealer on the brush to clean it up. Now the tip of my brow could be a little bit more crisp on both sides, and I like to use my Duo spoolie and angled brush for that. So I literally use the angled side and take some of the product off my brow and then just use it to clean up the edge of the brow. Then to finish off my brows, I like to take a little bit more product and just add some little sparse faux hairs. You know what I'm saying? I'm stroking it very lightly. Don't heavy hand that joint because then you're gonna have them harsh brows we were trying to avoid. Just little soft upward strokes makes it look like your brows a lot more natural. And if you did go a little heavy handed, just use a Q-tip and tap. Alrighty, brows are done. Now I'm gonna just go back in with the Cover FX glitter drops and my Becca Cosmetics highlighter to reapply the highlight under my brow bone. Alright y'all, so for this look, I think I'm gonna keep the eyes kind of simple-ish because the shirt I'm gonna put on and the earrings and stuff are like really in your face along with my lipstick. So I'm gonna just keep my eyes very simple. I'm gonna throw on these dramatic lashes. I say dramatic with air quotes because they're kind of thicker than an everyday look, but Instagram baddies usually have them like Vavoom type lashes. I'm gonna use my Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive with Aloe in black, and I'm gonna put that on my lash line and then fan it out, and we're gonna jam out to some music while we're waiting. Drink till I'm drunk, smoke till I'm high, castle on the hill, wake up in the sky, you can't tell me I ain't fly. I know I'm super fly, I know I'm super fly. Alright y'all, so major key to putting on a lash. I get this question so often. You gotta wait till it's tacky. The problem I think with a lot of people trying to do it is that they're so impatient. As you see, I just had a jam session while I'm waiting and fanning it out. That is the best way to do it. You want it to be super tacky. Then you're gonna grab it in the middle. I really hope y'all can see that. You want to grab it in the middle of the lash, almost dang near on the lash band. And then I personally use my finger, pull my eye into a chingy position, and then I'm gonna put the lash in the middle of my lash. So that's why I said grab it from the middle. And because I let it get tacky, you see it like immediately sticks. Then just grab the edges and connect. You're so beautiful, girl, apply, man, can love you. Alrighty, lashes are on. Now I didn't really mess up. None of the adhesive got on my eyelid, but just in case purposes, if anybody's watching this and want to know how to clean it up, take a Q-tip, go ahead and chin your eye a little bit, and just go against your lash line. Oh, and I do know that sometimes people have a problem with putting the lash like directly on their lash line, so they might have like a little gap, and you can unfortunately see that. You can always go ahead and take your tweezers and just pinch the false lash with your lash, and it'll help them bring it together. Alright, the lips. I'm gonna go in with this Essence Long Lasting Pencil in Hot Chocolate that I got from Ulta Beauty. I'm gonna line my lips. Y'all know I'm all about lining the lips, hunty. Yes. Alright, so now I'm actually going for a bold pink Barbie lipstick. So this is Collab Liquid Lip Color in Lush Lover. I think this is from Sally Beauty, actually. They sent me this. Alright y'all, so that's about it for the makeup look. It's time to now figure out what I'm about to do with this hair. So, see how the edges are doing. I actually think I'm gonna go ahead and put on my shirt before I start doing my hair, so I don't have to mess it up when I'm done. Alright, I'm back. I know I'm looking like a bright highlighter, and that is fine. I'm also gonna throw on my earrings now, I guess, so y'all can see where I'm going with this look. Nope, I'll wait actually, because I don't know what I'm about to do with my hair. Alright, I'm gonna take these down. Alrighty, y'all, I just remembered I actually have a scrunchie I've been wanting to do for the longest. It's hard to like show off scrunchies with natural hair, but let's see how this looks. I just want it to like be present in this look. I don't know if it's doing a little too much. Thank you, though. Good. Good. I'm almost done. You can't touch my face.
No, I'm not.
Okay. It's right here. Thank you,
Give me one on the other side too.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, I'm gonna go top with it too.
Thanks, bud.
Give me one for the road right there.
Okay, I gave you it. Bam, I'm almost done. Please.
Get your number, Shari.
B, look at you.
I'm sorry, girl. It's your fault. You blame yourself.
Alright, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and make the executive decision to say no scrunchie, just because when I threw on the earrings, I feel like definitely gave a 90s vibe. I mean an 80s vibe, not 90s. And that's a little too much for my liking. Alright, well, I guess this is the final look. What do y'all think? Do y'all like this? This is very different and just waboom for me. Definitely let me know if you guys like this look below. I think I like it. I do think I like it. This look was so simple to do, honestly. Think about it. All we did was brows, highlight, lashes, and lips. And then just let the jewelry and the outfit kind of take over the show. So yeah. Alright, y'all, so this is my final look. I know that it's definitely something different, and to be honest, it's a little outside my comfort zone, but I am feeling it. After taking a couple pictures, I started feeling myself, and I'm with the look, okay? I'm with the shits. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video though. I will go ahead and leave all the products that I used in this video in the description box below, and I do want to do my post notification shout out before I forget. So today's post notification shout out goes to Talitha Savoy, Talitha Savoy, Saboy. I really hope I pronounced that right, but shout out to you, girl. Thank you so much for being part of Beauty Gang, and thank you so much for being part of Notification Squad. If any of you guys are interested in possibly being shouted out, all you have to do is be subscribed to Beauty Gang, aka my channel. Then go ahead and hit that bell button after you subscribe so you're notified each time I post a new video. And then on every new video of mine that you see, go ahead and hashtag Notification Squad, hashtag Notification Gang, hashtag Beautification, hashtag something to let me know you're part of that ride or die circle. You have the potential to be shouted out. But yeah, y'all, if you guys would like more natural hair, Instagram baddie looks this 2019, definitely be sure to comment that below to let me know, and I will definitely have more coming your way. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and again, subscribe if you are new. And until next time, guys, bye.
Move your body cause you're loving the way you walk. Move your body if you're loving the way that you talk. One time if you confident. Clap 2 times cause you own me. Never gave a damn about what they say, cause you handle all your business on a day by day. Head high, chest up, and catch that frame, cause beauty is your name.